Hello, welcome my friend. Welcome to TPM company in China. Now I'm going to show you the machine manufacturing workshop in China. Okay, here is our workshop for electrical control panel, control system. Okay, here's the electrical workshop. And the next workshop is for machine assembly and testing, commissioning, many things. Okay, so this workshop is for the electrical system, and we have steel cutting workshop, a heat treatment workshop. Okay, this is the machine assembly workshop and the commissioning workshop. This is basically the most popular machine. Okay, machine TPM 8000, machine TPM 10,000. With different capacity. Now, this is the pallet filling machine. Also, we have for economical designed rig machine. Okay, this is for low budget projects, low budget solutions. Here is the commissioning and testing machine. This is the machine, TPM 6000. TPM 6000 machine. Okay, here is the control panel. The machine is a fully automatic working. Machine is fully automatic, controlled by control panel. Okay. Control panel is a Siemens PLC control, controlled by Siemens PLC. Yeah. So it is very easy operation, and stable, very stable. Here is the hydraulic system which provides the hydraulic flow to the machine. Hydraulic system which provides the hydraulic flow to the machine. And make the machine moving smoothly and powerful. Okay. Can check this machine. Now, the machine is installed with the paving stone mold. Yeah. The machine, you see, we have an airbags system. Yeah. To connect the bottom mold. Yeah. And the upper mold, it is connected by body screw. Yeah. And here is the vibration table. Yeah, the vibration table. Yeah, we're using dynamic and static vibration table. Here is the feeder car for the machine. Yeah, we can drive the feeder car forward. Yeah, and fill the concrete into the mold. And then the press head going down and start vibration. The machine is a two vibration model. Two models for vibration. Now, two models for vibration. Each model is 9 kilowatt. Yeah, easy to provide. Very strong vibration. And here is the feeder car. Machine feeder car. Yeah, swing arm design to push the feeder car forward. To push the feeder car forward smoothly. Yeah, 那么选一个 very compact and heavy duty. Here, this part is the face material, hopper. When you produce a paving stone with the topping layer, yeah, you need this face material hopper to produce the face materials. So basically, this is the main machine, and the main machine face material hopper, yeah, and this conveyor, yeah, and you see here the pallets. The concrete products, yeah, are produced on the pallets and then conveyed. Use forklift to move out. Yeah, here's another machine. This machine is also TPM 6000G. Yeah, you see here's the synchronization system. Yeah, this is the gate columns for the machine. It's absolutely solid. Yeah. Here is the vibration type. We call dynamic static vibration type. Here is the conveyor. Yeah. Our very experienced neighbors for welding, very much experienced. Yeah, welding a machine frame. And here is the machine, TPM 10,000G. It's a big capacity machine. Yeah, hydraulic system. This is a servo drive control panel. Face material hopper. The main machine. Yeah, it's a high capacity machine. Airbag system. Yeah. It's a brace head. Mold for paving stone. And we make blocks. We test the machine before shipping to make sure the program and the machine perfect, working perfect before ship to customers. Yeah, and then our service engineer will go to Zimbabwe for machine installation. Yeah, you can check the machine welding. Yeah, absolutely high quality. Yeah, we take all these details. A close view. Yeah. Strong, very strong, high quality welding applied on this machine. Yeah, so the machine work durable, no breakdown. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for your attention. If you have further questions, you can message us. Okay, my friend. Bye.